In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free OTP login for WooCommerce. We'll walk through how to install a free plugin, configure it properly, and customize the messages your customers receive. By the end, your WooCommerce store will be able to send one-time passwords for login and verification, improving both security and user experience. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the plugins section. Hover your mouse over plugins, and from the options that appear, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can browse and search for new plugins to install on your site. At the top right of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field, type OTP login, and then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will now show you a list of plugins related to OTP login and verification. From the search results, look for a plugin called Mini Orange OTP Login, Verification, and SMS Notifications. This is the free plugin we'll be using. Click on the plugin name to open its information page. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see a button to install and activate the plugin. Click that button and wait a few moments while WordPress downloads and activates it. When the installation is complete, you'll be taken back to your main plugins list. In your list of installed plugins, find Mini Orange OTP Login, Verification, and SMS Notifications. Under the plugin name, you'll see a settings link. Click on settings to open the plugin's dashboard inside WordPress. Now you're inside the Mini Orange dashboard. On the left side of this dashboard, you'll see a menu specific to the plugin. Click on settings there. Under the general settings tab, you can choose a default country code for phone numbers. This is useful if most of your customers are from a specific country. You can also decide whether to show a country code drop-down on the phone field, which helps customers select their own country code if they're international. In the same area, you'll find options to add blocked email domains, phone numbers, globally banned phone numbers, and VoIP phone numbers. Use these fields if you want to prevent suspicious or unwanted numbers from using OTP on your site. Once you've adjusted these settings to your preference, click the Save Settings button at the top right. Next, switch to the Edit Messages tab. Here you can customize the phone messages, email messages, and any custom messages that the plugin sends out. This is a great place to match the tone of your brand and make instructions clear for your customers. After editing the text to your liking, make sure you click Save Settings again at the top right so all your changes are stored. And that's it. You've now set up free OTP login for WooCommerce using the Mini Orange plugin, configured the core settings, and customized the messages your customers will receive.